Take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it out. You've chosen to take this time for yourself, a moment to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect. This is your space, free from stress and distraction. As you settle in, let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, and your breath deepen. With every exhale, imagine releasing tension, letting it melt away like a passing cloud. Now, simply listen and let these affirmations guide you to a place of peace, gratitude, and strength. Feel your breath grounding you, bringing calm to every part of your body. I am safe and at peace in this moment. My breath is a source of calm and clarity. I release all that no longer serves me. Visualize a serene lake, its surface smooth and still. Let your mind mirror this calm, steady, and unshaken. Peace flows through me with every breath I take. I am grounded, centered, and whole. Bring to mind one thing, big or small, that fills you with gratitude. Let it warm your heart. I am grateful for this moment of stillness. My heart is open to the beauty around me. I welcome gratitude as a daily practice. Feel this gratitude expand, lifting your spirit and bringing lightness to your being. I am thankful for all that I have and all that I am. Gratitude flows freely through me, brightening my day. Now, turn your attention to your inner strength. Imagine yourself standing tall, capable, and confident. I am resilient and strong. Challenges are opportunities for growth. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. Picture a glowing light within, radiating power and determination. My strength comes from within, unshaken by outside forces. I have everything I need to thrive. Take one more deep breath, inhaling peace, gratitude, and strength. And exhale fully, releasing any lingering tension. This feeling is yours to carry throughout your day. Remember, these words are always here to guide you back to calm whenever you need them. If this brought you peace today, consider liking this video and subscribing for more mindfulness moments. Take one last deep breath in and gently let it out. You are ready.